So, yan guys, yung ating fence, ganyan. Mababa lang siya. Pero today, merong pupunta na mga fence guy na gagawa. Papalitan yung ating bakod dyan. Para hindi tayo masyadong exposed sa public pag sila'y dumadaan. Ayan. You want to say kami?
Mom, I want to see where
Oh, the fence is gone.
See, they just cut it.
Mom,
So they're having hard time, honey, with your
Really not.
fence in there.
They be all right.
how long can I play? What are you doing? Killing your grass? You're putting my concrete on?
That's pretty cool.
Oh my god.
I'm with it.
Your plant is right behind the fence. You're gonna kill you.
So, ayan. What's this? Mites? It's for mites, honey.
I know, but the dogs smell it.
The dogs don't like the smell of it.
Yeah.
We are going to spray all around the post that those guys just put in to prevent animals or
Ooh, it's big.
specifically dogs to pee on our fence or whatever. Ayan na guys, oh yung poles ang taas. Mapagalitan siya nito ng HOA. Ang taas-taas ng kanyang poles. Wow, look at the fruits. They are flowering, honey.
I know.
And ayan na po yung ating munggo. Ayan na. Ayan, munggo. Uy, ang dami dito. Ayan guys, ang munggo yan. And then, ayan, ang ginagawa is that organic?
Yeah.
Oh, yun yun. Pumping it up.
Yeah.
Pump, 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 pump.
A long time.
And hurry up, you guys, and do homework. Ooh, it's rust.
Yeah. Hope the washer's not busted.
Yung kamatis natin, kawawa. Ooh, it's getting cold.
We've stopping the field. We are too busy running and jumping and skipping. We accidentally stepped on that.
That's why it looks dead.
What?
They always step to my tomato right there. Juliana said. Well, okay, spray it now, honey.
There's
Ayan
no
guys,
power going to.
spray. Para hindi daw umihi yung mga aso pag dumaan. Kasi nasa corner lot tayo.
Oh, yeah.
Late lunch, early dinner. Chicken pot pie.
What about mom?
Gusto lang yan na yung imitate ko yung pigar-pigar mo. Pigar-pigar ba? Yan, na-miss ko yung luto mo kaya nagluto ako. Pero mas masarap pa rin sa'yo, ate. Hi guys, so ayan na yung ating bok choy or pig choy. Ayan ready to transplant na yan sila for a few days. Ayan naman yung purple. Mustasa yan. Mustard. Ayan, at saka yung piece natin. Ano dyan? Ito yung sitaw eh. Bakit naninilaw? Ayan, sitaw. Ayan yung ating kamatis. Mukhang okay naman. And our mangoes. Ayun, mangoes. Ayan yung ating fence. Hindi pa naman. Pinapatigas pa nila yung ano eh. Yung concrete. Yung onions natin. Ay, yung broccoli mukhang okay naman. Yung alugbati ko mukhang hindi. Ay, ayan oh. Alugbati yan. Spinach. Yan. Ayan naman radish. Ay, yung spinach ko nandun oh. Deliver ng box. Wala patay ka rin. It's not gonna work?
Well, he's on top of the roof.
Oh, well, okay. Daddy wants to put it on the side, so. Okay, you got shoes on, it's okay. That's not no bark. Crumbs up. Ayan na pala yung tray ng ating mga plants, guys. Ilipat natin dito sa garahe. Ayan. Dahil namatay yung mga kamatis ko sa labas eh.
Julian.
Why you didn't finish your muffin? You done with it? Yeah, because you can't just eat one but two.
Oh, here we go. Picking on me again.
Kasi naghuhugas si Calvo ng mga plato, guys.
Oh.
Kasi ayaw niya pahugasin yung anak niyang prinsipe. Isang bowl lang sana huhugasan, yung sarili lang niyang bowl. Maghuhugas na sana yung bata. Sabi niya, lagay lang siya. Eh, di maghuhugas siya ngayon. O, alam nga naman ako pa maghugas. O, diba? Taran, tatan. Did you wash that apple, babe?
Yep, I also over it.
And Juliana know how to wash dishes, and her daddy rather do it instead of his kids go do it. That still have bubbles, mister.
Do I do
O,
that?
diba? Hindi pa marunong. Sige lang, bubbles, tapos hindi pa hugasan ng maayos. See?
Instead we have farmers.
Y'all stay princes and queens. Be princes and beautiful princes and queens.
Wait, Dad, we have princesses over here, but when we get a farm, you're not. We have country princesses. Yeah. Okay, Dad?
Yeah.
Isa-isa yung paghuhugas.
I want y'all to be princes. I want y'all to have your husbands do this.
Yeah, okay.
Okay?
But you said we'd be a super duper. Oh.
I want your husbands to wash the dishes, rub your feet,
Ew.
comb your hair,
I'm not comb my own.
You don't comb my hair.
Do your makeup.
I don't wear makeup.